So once we figure out this is the machine, this is a controller, this is the gateway, this is the data we want to take, and these are the KPIs, we integrate all of them and send all the data to the cloud or to a local server where the gateway data is stored. So once the data is stored, we create dashboards. Now these dashboards will have a lot of KPIs that are critical for efficiency, critical to know what is happening on the shop floor. Once we get the alerts, then we go for the reports. Reports are the most critical part because reports can be integrated again with the ERP system, with the MES system, so that all of them work in hand to hand and in sync. So then we create reports which will have all the important KPIs, which can be how much time was spent by operator on the machine, which operator was on which machine, what was the downtime on each individual machine. Let's say, for example, on the CNC machine, the downtime was 3 hours. Then what actual was the downtime? So in present scenario, we may only have that this was the downtime. But with an machine monitoring system, we can know that 20 minutes was spent on tool loading, 30 minutes was spent on cleaning, then 10 minutes was spent on preventive maintenance. So we will know what actually is happening on machine at every given second. So now we know how much time the machine was on, how much time the machine was doing productive work, how much time the machine was in idle mode. So once we have all of this onto a report, we can do analysis. Then we can also integrate multiple AI models to make sense out of all the big data that we've combined. And then once we have that, we can start taking corrective actions to increase the productivity, to increase the efficiency, and to increase our ROI on the capex that we have invested. Now, to make sure that all the systems keep running, we will need to have a system in which we keep checking the latest firmware on the system. We keep checking on how the Wi-Fi, the Ethernet, and the IT network is running. We keep checking if there is any data loss, because if you go for a low quality gateway or a cheaper quality gateway, there are chances of data loss. So that is somewhere I would suggest that go for a very good gateway, a cloud platform which has got all the features that you may need now and in the future. So a solution which is future proof and has got good level of KPI generation, report generation, you can select that kind of cloud platform and a gateway, which will help you make your system future ready and future proof. Then once the system is implemented, we will need to train our team members to be able to use the system and take corrective actions based on the data that system provides. Once we do that, things are very much completed.